How to fix the issue with Morgan Stanley application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Morgan Stanley application not working. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to go to Google Play Store or Apple Store if you're an iOS device. After that, in the search box, you simply need to type Morgan Stanley and hit the search button. At the top result, if you see the option of update beside the application's name, click on it and do update the application. After that, now you need to head towards the setting page of the application. So for that, tap and hold on the app icon and click on App Info. After that, in the setting page, click on Storage and click on Clear Cache. Once you have cleared the cache for the application, now it will run smoothly, as sometimes collected cache can also affect the performance of application. Now, after all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to uninstall the application and reinstall it. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Morgan Stanley application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.